Impressive as the feeding of 5,000 is, it pales in comparison with the daily miracle of the Eucharist. Canonized in April, Saint Carlo Acutis was just another tech-savvy teen. However, before dying of leukemia, at 15, he became a cyber apostle of the Eucharist. He documented Eucharistic miracles across the world on his website, thus spreading the truth about Jesus being truly alive in the Blessed Sacrament. We often hear of how unmanageably love touches hearts and lives. Wherein so does Jesus. The saints testified to God's love, tirelessly working to share it with everyone. They met through their words and deeds. Saint John Bosco said, "In order to be a saint, do the ordinary things in an extraordinary way." Love transforms. A person in love is never the same. Can this be said of us after every Mass in which we participate? The world should be able to see that the Jesus we have received in Holy Communion is alive and active in us. If not, why not? A love so great and selfless, proven by his ransom sacrifice on the cross, ought to change our lives, our families, and the world for the better. It is time to review and correct if necessary.